Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing or pasting your raw data. Make sure there is exactly one header row. Once done, convert the range to a table with Control+T so filters and structured references work immediately. You should enable autosave and add frequent tools to the quick access toolbar for speed. Now tidy columns, remove blank rows, standardize date formats, and trim text. This first setup saves hours downstream because formulas and pivots require clean, consistent input. Do this before you write a single formula. You now construct the core calculations. Start with basic aggregations, sum and average, then lock cells with $ when you copy formulas across rows. Once comfortable, add conditional logic with if and combined expressions for business rules. For lookups, prefer XLOOKUP. If unavailable, use index/match to avoid hash and slash of volatility. After formulas, insert a pivot table to summarize categories and add a chart to visualize trends. Make sure to name ranges and keep formulas readable. It prevents mistakes when you expand the dataset later. You complete the workbook by validating results, perform spot checks, compare totals, and reconcile against source files. Once satisfied, protect important cells or the whole sheet so formulas can't be overwritten, and save version copies. Set workbook calculation to automatic so values update. If performance lags, switch to manual while editing, then recalc. Finally, export required sheets as PDF or CSV for sharing. If something breaks, first check ranges and calculation mode. #ref or hash value typically point to moved ranges or missing inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.